Hi, this is Chris at Reactive Graphics. Today I'll show you how to add a contact form to your WordPress website. So assuming you have your login details and have logged in, you want to go to your dashboard. So here's the dashboard. And on the left you'll see an area that says plugins. So go to add new, and in the top right here you'll want to search for Contact Form 7. And there it is on the left. Now with all these other plugins you can see the button says install now. That means we don't have it installed. So while ours currently says active, yours will say install now. So press that button and then you'll get a message saying activate plugin, and you'll want to press that. Then on the left here you'll see contact. You'll want to add new. Okay, now define a title. So I'm going to call it contact form example. Okay, so here you see the form. Now these labels, these are text labels here. So if you want, you can edit. You can see this says required, and what makes it required is the star in the field itself. So just to show you how this works, I'll say next to your email, definitely required. Okay, I wouldn't mess too much with this because this has basically been done for you. You'll then want to go to mail. Now the to field is who is going to receive this email. So I don't want Andrew at Reactive Graphics. Let's not bother him with this. So we'll say Chris at Reactive Graphics. And from, you'll probably want to say something like WordPress at your domain. So that's just for your benefit, so you know that it's from the contact form on the website. The subject, you can put Reactive Graphics inquiries. And that's it. And then if you look at the message body, you can change the bottom line, clean it up a little bit. Just don't mess with the code. Keep it simple. And when you're happy, you want to press save, and you'll see this shortcode in the top. So you want to copy that, go to pages, add new. We're going to add a new contact page, and we'll just call it contact me. Now you might find it comes up, this content area comes up under visual, so make sure you click the text tab and then paste the code in, and then we'll publish that. View page. So now we're going to test this form. So your name, I'll say my name is Jim, and your email, let's just say it's from inquiries at Reactive Graphics. Subject, let's say it's a new website job, and the message, hi, I'd like a new website. And then you'll want to test it by pressing send. Thank you for your message, it has been sent. And that is how you add a contact form. Thanks for joining me on this WordPress tutorial. If you have any ideas for other videos, do let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, check out reactivegraphics.co.uk.